I have a little bit of something for everyone in this video. Lots of holiday gift guide ideas that are going to keep your kids really entertained and loving to play and learn at the same time. Hey you guys, this is Christina from the Purple Alphabet, and we are doing another holiday gift guide. We have so many gift guides this month that you need to go back and watch to see what else is up for grabs, because all the holiday gift guide videos, they have a giveaway. This giveaway is sponsored by Learning Resources. It's a really good one because we're giving away several of the things I want to show you today. More about those giveaway details towards the end of the video. Let me show you what we have. I like this one because it's for ages 18 and up and it's adorable. It's called Three Bear Family Storytime Picnic. Three Bear Family Storytime Picnic is great for the toddler age on up. You can use this for so many language skills and also some cognitive skills and lots of imagination with it too. This one has 9 pieces, so you're going to get the picnic basket house, and this is so cute because the little doors on the front, they open and they're all labeled 1 through 3. You can also do some color recognition on here, and you can put the bears inside on the doors. So you get 3 bear characters, all different sizes, and then you get 3 small play food pieces. There's a piece of cheese, looks like some watermelon, and then you get 2 large play food pieces, an apple and a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And both the peanut butter and the jelly sandwich do open, so you can put things inside. Also, in your hide and seek house, the top flaps open up so you can look right inside, pull items in and out. And then on the back side, there's a pull panel door that comes up that opens so you can see all of your house. There's also a really nice handle on here so you can tote it around anywhere you'd like. They set this up so you can talk about the bears and use a lot of vocabulary practice. You might talk about the sights, how they look, how big they are, and then you can also work on positional phrases. So maybe the bear is inside the apple, the cheese is inside the apple, the cupcakes on top of the sandwich. They did include a little guide for some activity ideas, and they suggest things as a knock knock who lives here, picnic hide and seek, or even a picnic party. What's really cool about Learning Resources is they also include a QR code, and it will take you to other activities to get even more inspired on how to play with these things with your child. Another one for 18 months and up, it's a Lock and Key Clubhouse. Lock and Key Playhouse. This is a really great fine motor activity, plus a lot of fun imaginative play in it. So you're going to get this base, and it has numbers on it from 1 to 5, all in the rainbow colors. There's also the numbers written up here, so you can talk about that, and shapes to match, so you can also talk about shapes and color recognition. There is a key attached to it, and so this is the key that you're going to use to open up the doors. You just twist and it opens up, and then inside you're going to find the animals, and you can put the animals that come with it right inside there, or you can mix them up if you want and lock them back into the door. Just using that key and working those fine motor muscles are going to be a really great activity, especially for the age that uses this. On door number 2, you've got 2 different ones here, so you can count 1 and 2, and you can find the character that goes along with it. It's also a lot of cause and effect. This one's already open. A lot of cause and effect in here. Here we have 3 that match. We'll put them in there, close the door, and we'll lock it up. And then 4, which is our blue, and then 5 can go in here. Also has the 5 on the door. Also suggested to play with this is a little list of activities right inside the box to talk about finding the friends and naming them, memory matching with the doors, identifying all of the animals that are in here. And when you're done, you can put this right on here, and there's even a little handle here so you can carry it around wherever you like. For ages 2 and up, we have the Construction Crew 1, 2, 3 Build. The Construction Crew 1, 2, 3 Build It Kit. This is great for the toddlers and up. So what you're working on is basic engineering, because you can make 3 vehicles with all these pieces, and you can build them and rebuild them over and over again. So in this set, you're going to get 1 cab, a truck back and a trunk front, a scoop, a container, 2 arms, 4 large tires, 4 small tires, and a driver. All these pieces, they just snap together. So you can build them in 3 different ways. You can make a bulldozer or a dump truck or even a digger. And if you're a little bit lost on how all the pieces work together, there is a full color guide that shows how all the pieces can fit. And all you need to do is snap them together for it to work, or snap them apart to rebuild something different. How about a little bit of STEM? This one is Cooper, the STEM robot for ages 5 and up. This is Cooper, the STEM robot. Learning Resources has had all sorts of really fun STEM coding robots. This one is probably the most adorable one I have seen so far. Got a light up face. It's got these little arms on it that are posable. You can move them. And there's a lot of functions on it. You're going to get the cord to charge it. You're going to get a ball accessory. And then you're going to get the coding cards, a whole bunch of them too. They're each a different direction and 4 different colors. And these are cards to use while you're coding to help you remember what your coding sequence is. Then they also give you these, which are part of some of the functions that Cooper does. This one is talking to others, so you can command it to talk to other Coopers, which I only have one, so I won't be able to demonstrate that part, but it's pretty cool that they can all communicate with each other. And this one is following a black line. This one is for motion sensor, and then this one is a light sensor card. So while you're coding, you could use these and put them in order for your sequences to keep track of what you're doing, and then you'll be able to readdress them if your coding sequence is off, like maybe that runs into something, and you can visually move around the coding cards. Cooper's functions are so easy to use. On the top are your directional codes. So if I were to push this forward button twice, it's going to move forward when I tell it to go, which is my center button. And it makes a little noise too. And then you can redo the code by just pushing all the different buttons. So I can make it go forward twice. Maybe I want it to come back twice. Then maybe I want it to turn and turn and turn and turn. And then it will mimic those actions. So cute. And the eyes do light up with this, by the way. If you want to do some of the more advanced actions, you have these 4 commands here on the back. So first of all, here is our USB charging, and then this is our on and off switch over here. And so these 4 buttons all control the sensors. This one's for following black lines. This one's our light sensor. This one is our object detection. And then we have the communication button down here. So when you push the black line one, it's going to be able to follow and trace whatever black line that you have. And then it will also sing and do some really cute special effects. This one is our light sensor, and this will turn the lights on and off on his eyes in the dark or when the sensor is covered up. So where's my light sensor? So here I kind of covered it up, and you can see how his eyes just popped on a little brighter. Then we have the object detection, and that is an if-then command. So let's say we have our ball right here, and we want to tell Cooper to go forward, but that ball is in the way, so we need to give it an if-then. Then we also have the communication mode. That's where Cooper can talk with other Coopers, and then you can try some of the special codes that they put inside the guidebook. There's a lot of fun ones in here, like watch Cooper bark and chase friends. They can play a silly symphony, and they can face each other and play catch with the ball, which I would love to see with multiple Coopers. What I love is it's 100% screen-free coding because you're just pushing the buttons. The sensors are pretty remarkable, and you can add some Coopers to it, and it would be really fun to see them all interacting. Let's talk about the giveaway. Make sure to subscribe to the Purple Alphabet YouTube channel, and then leave me a comment down below telling me which one is your favorite out of the bunch, because I'll need to know about that if you should win. Then head over to the giveaway link to officially enter. That's in the description box. You must be 18 years of age or older and have a US postal address. I'm going to announce the winners right after Thanksgiving, so make sure to watch that video because you're going to have to claim your prize if you should win. You'll have 72 hours to do so. Also, if you haven't already watched all the other holiday gift guides, highly recommend you do that. They are still open, so I definitely would recommend checking those out. Make sure you enter. It's not too late, so you can have a chance at those. You guys click subscribe to see more videos like this and give me a thumbs up to show your love.